say, it is a cold, rainy fall morning here, and I thought it'd be fun to whip up with you guys today these super easy zucchini chocolate blender muffins from Cara Clark. They are so delicious. They've got no refined sugar, no flour, very simple ingredients. My kids are gonna love them. They're gonna be a great after-school treat and a little counterbalance to all the Halloween candy that's been happening, right? So let me show you how easy it is. Let's whip up these muffins. All right, let's go.